From the very first glance, this 1971 Chevrolet Camaro commands attention. Finished in a sleek silver with bold black stripes, this Camaro carries a menacing, muscular stance. The body retains its classic second-gen Camaro lines, accented by LED headlights, a rear spoiler, dual exhaust tips, and distinctive Z28 and 454 badging. The paintwork was refreshed under prior ownership, giving it a sharp, clean look that's ready for the street or the show. Rolling on timeless 15-inch Krager SS wheels wrapped in BF Goodrich radial TA tires, it's the perfect blend of retro styling and street performance. Updates in 2022 include new hood hinges, a replacement windshield wiper motor, and a refreshed suspension system with new tie rods, ball joints, and bushings, ensuring this classic rides as good as it looks. Inside, the cabin stays true to the muscle car spirit, with black vinyl bucket seats up front and individual seats in the rear. The black dash, carpeting, and door panels give it that purposeful, no-nonsense vibe. A B&M shifter hints at the serious performance underneath, while modern touches, like a Pioneer head unit, upgrade the driving experience without spoiling the vintage atmosphere. Classic Instruments gauges are fitted behind the sporty aftermarket steering wheel, providing a clean, updated look while keeping you fully informed. Additional auxiliary gauges are neatly mounted ahead of the shifter, and the dashboard wiring was carefully repaired in 2022 to keep everything working properly. Now under the hood, this Camaro is all business. The big block 454 cubic inch V8 roars to life with help from Holley Sniper electronic fuel injection, delivering reliable modern performance with old-school muscle. A serpentine belt system keeps everything tight under load, while a new fuel pump, valve cover gaskets, and radiator hoses ensure this beast is ready to run. Power is routed through a tough TH400 3-speed automatic transmission to a Ford 9-inch rear end with 3.70 gears, giving this Camaro serious street cred. Updates like a revised drive shaft, fresh transmission seals, and a stout rear end mean the drivetrain is as strong as the engine's bark.